Approval workflows play a crucial role in any organization, especially when it comes to important decisions like approving long leave requests, handling high-value expense claims, or reviewing key timesheet entries. That's where OfficePortal really comes in handy. With OfficePortal, you can set up approval workflows across multiple modules. Whether it's for leaves, expenses, timesheets, and many more, you can customize the entire flow to match your internal process. So, let's quickly walk through how to create an approval workflow in OfficePortal. First, go to Settings, and under Organization Settings, click on Approval Workflow. As you can see here, I've already created a few workflows for different modules. Now, let's create a new one. For this demo, I'm going to create an approval workflow for earned leave requests that are more than 10 days. So, this workflow will apply only when someone requests earned leave that exceeds 10 days. To get started, click the Add New button. Now, let's give it a name. I'll call it Earned Leave More Than 10 Days. Next, choose the module type. Since we're dealing with earned leave, I'll select Leave Tracker. Then comes the request type. Based on the module we pick, the system shows different request types. Here, I'll go with Leave Request. Now let's set the criteria. I want this to apply only when the number of leave days is greater than 10 and the department is management. You can always add more conditions based on your organization's needs. As the first criteria, I am adding Leave Type includes earned leaves. As the second criteria, I am adding number of days greater than 10. As the third criteria, I am adding departments include management. Here, I am stopping with 3 criteria. You can select more based on your requirements. So, this approval workflow works for members from the management department, applying for earned leave of more than 10 days according to the criteria I have set. Moving on to the approval type. You've got a few options here: Auto Approve, Auto Reject, Hierarchy, or Custom. If I choose Auto Approve or Auto Reject, the system will automatically approve or reject employees' request if the condition met. Let's check out Hierarchy works. If I select that, it'll ask me how many approval levels I want. I'll set it to 2 for now. So, in this case, if an employee from the management department applies for more than 10 days of earned leave, the request will go to their reporting manager first, and then to the department head. Both need to approve it. You also get to define the response time. Let's say they need to take action within 5 days. Now, what happens if they don't respond in time? You have 3 options again: Auto Approve, Auto Reject, or Forward to Someone. Let's choose Forward to Someone, and I'll enter the name of the CEO here, so the request goes directly to her if no one else takes action. Now, coming to the Custom option. This gives you more control over who approves the request at each level. For example, I'll set Level 1 approver as the reporting manager and Level 2 approver as the project manager. You can keep adding more levels if needed. And just like before, if none of them take action within the set timeline, you can choose to either auto-approve, auto-reject, or forward it to someone specific. Just enter their name here. Once everything looks good, click on Save to Finish. Back on the main screen, you'll see a list of all your approval workflows. Click the More option to edit, delete, or deactivate any workflow. And if a workflow is already in an inactive state, you can always activate it again using the same option. If you're looking for something specific, just use the filter tool to quickly find the workflow you need. And that's it! You learnt how to set up approval workflow.